We can see these three options in the SolidWorks as a part assembly and drawing. Now we are going to draw the 3D model as a part. So I'll click on the part and say OK. Now we will see what is the part we are going to draw in this tutorial. Yep, so this is the part. You can see in this on both the sides there is a semicircle, and at the center we can see some height solid, and this solid is having a cutout inside it, or a slope. So how we should draw? We will proceed with the profile which is at the base, means the center line or the center distance in between these two semicircles is 140. From here we can construct arc of radius of 30 on both the sides, and this is having a circular cutout of 24 mm, and then here you can see height of that is 34, and here height is 24. Okay, so we will draw the features later. First of all, let's construct the base feature. Okay, let's move to the SolidWorks. Select sketch, and this will be drawn onto the top plane. Draw one circle over here, another circle over here, and let's connect these two with a center line. And we know the dimension on that center line, that is 140. Then this circle was R30, so 5 value should be 60. Similarly, this 5 value will be 60, right? R is equal to 30 means 5 will be 60. And also we can sketch the smaller circles or the cutouts inside these bigger circles, and you can click on these two and say as equal, because both of them have same size, that is 24. Okay, and let us connect these two circles with straight lines. Okay, now what we can do is we can trim out this part and this part. Again, these two parts we can trim, and what else we have to define so that the sketch is fully defined. This distance we have to give as 140 divided by 2, that is 70, and this line is horizontal, that is also correct. What else we have to define that the sketch is fully defined then? Okay, this is moving, so why that sketch is not fully defined? So we can say that this center point, Ctrl Z, right click on this, select midpoint, and this vertex or or the point of origin, make it coincident, but this is not accepting somehow. We'll delete this dimension, and now it has accepted, and it's saying the sketch is fully defined. It's not fully defined yet. This line is not completely defined. Okay, so these line and circle, that should be tangent to each other. Now we can see here it is fully defined sketch. You can come out of the sketch now, and height is equal to 34. So 34, and correct. Base feature is ready. Now we will draw this boss, that is 96 and 60 is height. So sketch on this front face, rectangle, and 96, 96. What else you have to define? Location. So midpoint, and then this construction line, you can say that as vertical. Now it is fully defined. Come out of the sketch. Features, extruded boss. Height, we can see it is 60. So here I will say 60, and merge feature, enter. Yes. Now this is done. Only one last feature is left, that we have to take a cutout in this. For that we can sketch this length, height, and then join these two, and you can have the cutout, right? For that you have to draw a plane that will be 18 mm from this face. From this face that will be 18 mm. So I can draw a reference plane that is 18 mm on the other side. So I'll say flip upside, offset. Again I'll flip it. We'll just go to this 3D view, and delete this plane, because we want the plane which will be parallel with this face. So reference plane, this face, then flip side. Okay, now on this we can sketch. Select the plane, sketch, sketch command, that is 24. From here it is 24 somewhere, and give the dimension from this baseline 24, and at the back, this vertical, from this vertical face it is at 10 mm. Come out of the sketch as it is fully defined, and features, extruded cut. Depth of that will be 60. 60. Done. I'll hide this plane. You can see we have completed the sketch. Okay, now this drawing is completed. Thank you.